Welcome to Earth Calling, SOS with your host, Earth Doctor, Reese Halter.
Willy wagtails, kookaburras, and magpies, and 120 other species of birds across Australia are in decline. The climate crisis, habitat destruction, feral cats, and poisons are decimating the birds. If the birds die, the trees die. If the trees die, we die. It's time to save nature now. Please support the Okra Project because they're protecting birds across Australia. Reporting for Earth Calling SOS from Avalon Beach, New South Wales, I'm Earth Doctor Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.